Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 3, number system. So first of all, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. It does not understand the language people use to communicate with each other. So computer recognizes only two discrete states, on and off. On represents 1 because computer understand only two digits 0 and 1 and it is called binary digits. So on represents 1 and off represents 0. So every character in computer like alphabets A to Z, numbers 0 to 9, symbols, etc. has an assigned numeric code and these code varies from 0 to 256 and this code is called as American Standard Code for Information Interchange, that is SCI codes. So this chapter is totally based on the numericals. So first of all we will learn about the decimal system. Decimal system contains number 0 to 9. 10 digits are there, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total is 9 digits. So first of all, when we want to write the number more than 9, so first of all we put the value 1 here and add 0 on the right side. So as it is up to 19 we can write the values. It is called tens. In the next numbers 2, 20, 21, 22, it is called 20s. Next 30, 31, 32 up to so on 39, it is called 30s. As it is up to 20s you can write the values. Next one is the binary system. In binary system only two digits 0 and 1. So you can write the values with the help of these two digits. 0 we will start from the 1 and add 0 from the right side. 10, 1 1 11, 1 0 1, 1 1 1. As it is you can write the values. Next one is we can read these binary digits 1 0, not 10, and 1 1. So now what is number system? It is a way to represent numbers in a computer system. So two types of number system, non-positional and positional number system. With the help of non-positional number system, it is difficult to solve the complex calculation. So with the help of a positional number system, we can calculate the complex values. So with the non-positional number system, we can represent 1 as a 1, 2 as a 2, 3 as 3, 4 as a 4. So it is not possible to calculate the difficult values. So with the help of positional number system, we can solve the values. In between, 4 systems are there. First one is decimal. decimal number system. Second one is the binary. Third one is octal. Fourth one is the hexadecimal. Decimal number system base is 10. Binary number system base is 2. Octal is 8 and hexadecimal is 16. You have already learned about this hexadecimal octal in the mathematics. First of all, decimal number system base is 10 and decimal number system uses 10 symbols 0 to 9. So I am going to give one example. 1, 2, 3. 3-digit value is here. 3 on 1's place, 10's place and 1 on 100 place. So you have to multiply 3 with 1, 2 with 10, 1 with 100. So after multiplication 3, 20 and 100. So when we will add it 100 plus 20 plus 3, that is 123. And how we will solve in the decimal number system? 1, 2, 3, 1 into 100, 2 into 10 and 3 into 1. We have to write these values in the successive powers. 1 into 10 raised to power 2, 2 into 10 raised to power 1, 3 into 10 raised to power 0 because no one 10 is here. So as it is, you can solve these values. Next one is the binary number system. Binary number system base is 2. So in this I am going to give one example. 1001. Here is a successive powers 2 raised to power 0, 1, 2, 3. After solving, always remember 2 raised to power 0, that means its value is 1. So 2 raised to power 1, that is 2, 2 raised to power 2, 4, 2 raised to power 3, 8. These are the values of the binary number systems. How we will solve this example? We have to multiply these 4 digits with these successive powers and always start solving from right to left. Don't start right from left to right. Clear? So first of all 4 digits are there. So start from here. 2 raised to power 3. 0 into 2 raised to power 2. Then again 0 multiply with the 2 raised to power 1. And last is the 1 into 2 raised to power 0. After solving 2 raised to power 3, 8, 2 raised to power 4, 2, that is 4, multiply with 0, 0. Again 2 raised to power 1, 2, multiply with 0, answer is 0. Then 2 raised to power 0 value is 1. So 1 multiply with 1, 1. So 8 plus 1, 9. This is your answer. Next one is the octal number system. In the octal number system, base is 8 and it consists of digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 8 and 9 do not exist in this system, okay? How we will solve it? Similar method of a binary system. 1, 1, 2. Example. Again here how many digits are there? 3 digits and 3 successive powers are here. So we will start from 1 into base is 8. So multiply with this 8 raised to power 2, then 1 into 8 raised to power 1, next 2 into 8 raised to power 0. So 8 raised to power 2, 64. 8 8s are 64. 8. So 8 raised to power 0. Successive power of any digit is 0. So its value is 1. 64, 8 and 2. Add it. So answer is 74. Next fourth. Hexadecimal number system. Its base is 16 and it includes the symbols 0 to 9 and alphabets A to E. On your book on page number 25 there is a one table. You have to read the values of hexadecimal, binary and last one is the decimal. In this system you have to learn firstly this one and you can able to solve these sums. First one is the 1FF 16. Your base is 16 and you will multiply with the 16. Again 3 digits are here, so you will start 1 into 16 power 2, F into 16 power 1, F into 16 power 0. So 16 16 are 256. What is the value of F in your table? F value is 15. So 15 into 16, again 15, 16 power 0, it means its value is 1. So after solving, your answer is 511. With the help of these examples, you can solve the conversion of the one method to another. So firstly, I am going to explain you how to convert a decimal to binary. Decimal to binary conversion. Example is 42 base is 10. We have to convert this to binary number system, and in the binary system your base is 2. So you have to divide 42 by 2 and the remainder you will write on that side. Clear? So firstly 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 10 2s are 20 and 1 is remainder. Firstly divide the first term with the 2, next again 21 divided by 2, 10 2s are 20 and 1 is remainder. 5 2s are 10, remainder is 0. 1 5s are 5, 2 2s are 4. Because we have to divide with this, not accept it as a LCM. Okay, you can divide it in your rough page as it is with the 2. Clear? Next one, again here is a 1 remainder. 1 2s are 2, remainder is 0. Again we will divide with, it is not possible to divide with 1, so again write here 1 as it is, and you have to write the answer from bottom to top. 1 0 1 0 1 0. And the base of the binary system is 2. Next one is the binary to decimal conversion, and third one is the decimal to octal. Similar method with this. Decimal to octal. Next one, third one is also same, decimal to hexadecimal. Base is different. In the binary system you have to divide with the 2. In the octal system you have to divide with the 8, and in the hexadecimal you have to divide it with the 16. Same method, and answer you will write from bottom to top. Don't start from top to bottom. Next one is the binary to decimal conversion. Binary to decimal. In this 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. So binary to decimal we have to write. How many digits are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 successive powers you will multiply with this. So binary's base number is 2. So 7 digits are here. Last number is 6. 1 into 2 raised to power 6. 0 into 2 raised to power 5. Again 0. 2 raised to power 4. 1 into 2 raised to power 3. 0 into 2 raised to power 2. 1 into 2 raised to power 1, and 0 into 2 raised to power 0. After solving, 2 raised to power 6 is 64. 0 multiply with any digit, answer will be 0. Again 0. 1 raised to power 2 raised to power 3 multiply with the 1. So answer will be 8. Again next term is 0. 2 raised to power 1 2. And last term 2 raised to power 0. Value is 1. So 1 multiply with 0. Answer will be 0. After solving, your answer is 74. Next one, last one is, so what is bit? Bit is the smallest unit of computer processing 0 0 1 0. Smallest unit is called bit, and group of 8 bits is called byte. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This group is called byte. And half of a byte is called nibble. Total digit is 8. So half of a 4 digit is called nibble. Only one digit is called bit, and group of 8 digit is called byte. Clear? Thank you.